As you can see, now in the garden, it's been raining for a few hours now, longer than that. You see, got the electrics, it's all wet, but it is live, as you can see. It's all warm and there, not wet. This is making a fizzing noise. There is what, so it's making a fizzing noise up there. I'm not sure if you can hear it, probably not. It's a thunderstorm. There is a thunderstorm, it goes off every now and then. This ain't gonna do any good though. So you got this, look at that, look at the white, it's cleaned it so much. So the white ceramic thing up there was actually black when I first put it up there, but it's cleaned it. But what I'm worried about is the wood is changing colour, it's gone like an orange colour. It shouldn't be orange. But it's fizzing on, so it's fizzing there, it's fizzing on this, so it's fizzing on there, it's fizzing on there as well. Because that's where it's a weak connection. Because that's where it's a weak connection. It's fizzing on there as well. It isn't fizzing on that one, well it probably is, just can't hear it. It's fizzing on that. I know fizzing on there. On the end one there. It's pretty dark. It isn't that cold though, which means tomorrow is not going to be a good day. Sweaty eyes. Check down the drain. Try not to drop my phone in because it's probably running quite quick. Or probably not. If it's running slow, that means there's a problem. Yeah, it's raining about right in a rainstorm. Because it isn't raining as hard as normal. Usually when it's a massive thunderstorm. But the thunderstorm's been going on for a few hours now. See, these ones are dry, they always have been. Not bad. This is a thunderstorm. Every now and then you'll see the lightning and hear the thunder. It's quite unusual now. But that is making a fizzing noise. On that brass bit there, see the brass? It's making a fizzing noise on there. This one isn't. I can hear fizzing coming from there. These are thin wires, can't hear anything, it's silent. It's silent, but on this bit it's making a fizzing noise on there, on the switch. But everywhere else is silent. So that big thick wire you see up there, I think it's about 33,000 volts. This. Try and get a better look at it. You can't go near it, especially when you're wet. Because you can see. Because that can arc about 5 or 6 meters away. At least these ceramics will be nice and clean. Because they're usually covered in dust and the dust just drips off. Because if you look at the drips when it first started raining, the drips would be like a funny, there's a hedgehog in there. It hid in this. No, it's gone now. Oh no, it isn't. It's out in the rain now. See, he's always walking around trying to find food. So you must be careful in the garden because that hedgehog is always walking around here. Yeah, the hedgehog. There's 4 of them. And they usually go in this garden and the next door. They're usually over here because this is where there's... Yeah. I don't know why the drips are glowing. Oh, because yeah, but the hedgehog doesn't mind the wet, obviously. This unit. Right, see, it is a thunderstorm, and it's been going like that for like 3 hours now. nearly past my time. Like, not like bedtime, you know, like, this is what it's still hot. Yeah, this is still hot. Still nice and warm, that. Yeah, so it's past. Thanks for watching, goodbye. Oh yeah.